Okay guys, dito naman tayo sa different kinds of pizza. Oh. Guys, choose what you want. The salmon. Wow. Eggplant parmesan. Ang galing nila. Guys, there you go. Different kinds of pizza. I'll show you. Looks so yummy, guys. There you go. Italian pepperoni. This is the chef sauce. Truffle. And spicy potatoes. Grabe guys, ito ay masarap. Parma. Truffle. Italian. So yummy. Thank you. Kopyahin nga natin ito guys. Eggplant, tomato sauce, parmesan sauce, mushroom, and this. Grill. Thank you so much. Bye. Nutella. Nutella guys. Mozzarella, mushroom, guys, may nagustuhan ba kayo dyan guys? Ayun na kayo. Thank you. Bye. Those are the kinds of pizza. Nagtitimpi lang ako guys. Guys, hindi pa nila binili itong ngipin. Meron pa guys. Dami. Guys, akala nyo bato ito, no? Chocolate ito guys. So, diba? Parang bato, but it's a chocolate. Popcorn. Cola. Ba't ang ginagawa ko guys?